Sun Tzu, the ancient Chinese military strategist and author of The Art of War, left behind a body of wisdom that extends far beyond the battlefield. His principles have been studied and applied to various domains, including business, politics, and personal development. While his teachings often focus on strategy and warfare, they carry profound life lessons that, when ignored, can lead to regret, particularly for men who overlook these principles in their youth. One of Sun Tzu's core teachings is the value of preparation. He famously stated, "Victorious warriors win first and then go to war, while defeated warriors go to war first and then seek to win." This principle emphasizes the importance of preparation and foresight. In youth, there is often a tendency to act impulsively, driven by emotion or desire, rather than careful planning. Many men later regret not taking the time to prepare adequately for their pursuits, whether in education, career, or relationships. Preparation is not just about readiness for opportunities, but also about resilience against challenges. Those who overlook this principle often find themselves scrambling to recover from setbacks that could have been mitigated with foresight. Another fundamental teaching of Sun Tzu is the importance of self-awareness. He said, "If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles." While the context of this quote is military strategy, its application to life is universal. Understanding one's strengths and weaknesses is crucial for making informed decisions and pursuing goals effectively. In their youth, many men fail to reflect on their true capabilities or understand their limitations. This lack of self-awareness can lead to poor choices, such as pursuing careers that do not align with their talents or engaging in relationships that are ultimately unfulfilling. Over time, the realization of these missteps can result in regret and a longing for a second chance to make better decisions. Sun Tzu also highlighted the significance of adaptability. He wrote, "In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity." Life is unpredictable, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances is a valuable skill. Young men often hold rigid expectations about how their lives should unfold, clinging to preconceived plans even when circumstances shift. This inflexibility can lead to missed opportunities or prolonged struggles. Embracing adaptability allows individuals to turn challenges into opportunities, much like a skilled general who can turn the tide of battle by adjusting tactics. Those who fail to cultivate this mindset may find themselves stuck in situations that could have been avoided with a more flexible approach. The principle of discipline is another cornerstone of Sun Tzu's teachings. He asserted, "Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers formidable, procures success to the weak, and esteem to all." Discipline is the foundation of achievement. Immediate results can lead to hasty decisions. Whether it is rushing into a relationship, making impulsive financial choices, or chasing career success without proper preparation, the lack of patience can have lasting consequences. Sun Tzu's wisdom reminds us that timing is critical and that waiting for the right moment can yield better outcomes. Men who fail to practice patience in their youth may look back with regret, wishing they had waited for more favorable circumstances. Another profound lesson from Sun Tzu is the value of leveraging strengths effectively. He wrote, "Appear at points which the enemy must hasten to defend. March swiftly to places where you are not expected." This principle underscores the importance of strategic thinking and focusing one's efforts where they will have the greatest impact. In youth, it is common to spread oneself too thin, attempting to excel in multiple areas without focusing on a core strength. This scattershot approach can lead to mediocrity and missed opportunities for excellence. By identifying and leveraging their unique strengths, individuals can achieve far greater success and fulfillment. Sun Tzu also taught the importance of understanding others. He said, "To know your enemy, you must become your enemy." While this advice pertains to warfare, it also highlights the value of empathy and perspective-taking. In interpersonal relationships, the ability to understand others' viewpoints and motivations is crucial for building trust and resolving conflicts. Many young men overlook the importance of empathy, focusing instead on their own needs and desires. This can lead to misunderstandings and damaged relationships, both personally and professionally. Developing empathy not only strengthens connections with others, but also fosters personal growth and self-awareness. The principle of seizing opportunities is another key aspect of Sun Tzu's teachings. He wrote, "Opportunities multiply as they are seized." In youth, it is easy to take opportunities for granted, assuming that there will always be more chances in the future. However, life often presents opportunities that are fleeting, and those who fail to act decisively may later regret their inaction. Sun Tzu's wisdom reminds us that taking initiative and capitalizing on opportunities can lead to new paths and greater success. Men who overlook this principle in their youth may find themselves reflecting on missed chances and wondering what could have been. Finally, Sun Tzu emphasized the importance of balance and moderation. He stated, "Excessive rewards are a sign of desperation. Excessive punishments are a sign of weakness." This principle highlights the dangers of extremes, whether in behavior, decisions, or emotions. In youth, there is often a tendency to pursue extremes, whether it is working excessively without rest or indulging in hedonistic pleasures without restraint. Such imbalances can lead to burnout, poor health, and strained relationships. Sun Tzu,